parts. The first is study and clean data. Data science is nothing but data ko padna, and for that data should be clean or in pure form. अब data can be in a text or an image or a video or a audio or a column or rows, कुछ भी हो सकता है. And the thing is, there may be noise in that data, there may be flaws in that data. उस data को clear करना, clean करना और scrutinize करके एक pure raw form में बनाना is our first task of data science. Now comes the second task, which is analysis and explore. Now this particular part, analysis and explore, is the most important part of a data scientist or a data science beginner or any data science person journey, because this is the point where all the feature extraction, exploratory data, data analysis, reading the data, understanding the data takes place, because this particular step helps us to figure out or to start the third step, which is machine learning prediction. According to me, I would say if you have performed the first two steps very accurately and very rigorously, then I think this third step, which is the machine learning prediction or applying machine learning logics or algorithms or deep learning, gets a little bit easier. So I would divide data science into these three particular aspects.